So why is this 48 hours rule so important? Well, this will be the most critical period of time for most of the DAISY members, especially for those who don't recruit and who don't have the capacity to maximize on the metrics earnings. Okay, and the 48 hours will start whenever you sign up and buy your first pack. Okay, this is really important to understand, because there are many promoters out there saying that the 48 hours will start with the DAISY launch. No, this is not true. The 48 hours will start whenever you buy your first pack. Okay, so every one of us will have his or her own 48 hours. Okay, and during this period of time, there is no referral conditions to unlock generations, and you can earn from 1.5 to 4% bonus of every pack purchased in all 10 generations. Okay, let me give you some numbers. So every $100 pack will get you an average 4%. Um, it's actually 4% in generations 1 and 2 and 4% in generations 9 and 10. And since 9 and 10 are the biggest generations, the weighted average will be close to 4, right? The weighted average is 3.9, but we will use 4% just to simplify the calculations. Okay, so if all 88,572 members in your 10 generations will buy a $100 pack, and they will have to, because you can only join if you buy at least pack 1. So if they all have a $100 pack, this is what you will potentially earn, which is $345,000. Okay, this is for the first 48 hours. After those 48 hours, you will have to start recruiting to unlock generations 3 to 10. Okay? So again, this is the best case scenario. This 345,000, this is the best case scenario. Okay? And let me show you a simulator that will show you what happens if you, let's say, don't fill all 10 generations from spillover or from your own recruiting, whatever. Let's say you have filled 6 generations. Okay, again, all 10 will be unlocked, but let's say you only have filled 6 generations. Okay, and you have a one tier 1 pack. Your potential earning will be 3,288. Okay, let's say you will have 7 generations, which can be realistic. I mean, this is 2,000 something people. You know, if you grab a real strong sponsor and you get in early, this is realistic to have yeah, around 2,000 members in your metrics, and this will get you almost $10,000. Okay, and well, here's the best case scenario once again. If it's 10 generations full of people, you get 344,000, and in reality, you will probably have a mix of different packs in your structure, right? Some will get get up to tier 2, some will get up to tier 3, right? But in reality, it will be a mix. So let's say the average in your structure will be a pack 3, but you will have to own that pack as well. This is an important aspect. Okay, you will have to own the same size of packs like your referrals if you want to benefit from them. Okay, this is very important to understand. You cannot earn from tier 3 packs if you own a tier 1 pack. Okay, so let's say the average in your structure will be tier 3, and you will have, let's say, 6 generations full of people. Again, all 10 are unlocked, but let's say you have 6 generations filled with people, which is 729 people. Okay, so that will get you a potential income of 23,000 in total. Okay, so it's important to get in early. It's important to grab a strong sponsor if you want to maximize on this 48 hours rule.